Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this tasty chicken stew. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and turn on your notification bell. So for this particular recipe, I'll be using chicken thighs. You can use whole chicken as well. So I'm going ahead to marinate the chicken with some salt to shallow fry it. So if you're using the kienyeji chicken, which is a bit tough, you can boil your chicken and then deep fry it separately. But since this cooks quite fast, I'm just going to shallow fry them in my pan. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil and put in my chicken thighs. So as they shallow fry, I will go ahead and show you the spices that I'll be using. I will also list them on the description box down below. So now that my chicken is ready, I'm going to set them aside. Then add in your onions and fry them until they are translucent. Once that is almost done, I'm going to add in the garlic and ginger paste and fry them as well. So once that is done, add in your pureed tomatoes or chopped tomatoes, and once they are well cooked, go ahead to add in your green bell peppers and let them cook as well for a few minutes. Next, go ahead to add in your spices and let them cook as well for about a minute. Now that that is done, go ahead to add in your chicken pieces and go ahead as well to add a little bit of water to make the sauce, and let it just simmer real slow for a few minutes as well, because this chicken is already ready. So I'm not going to cook it for so long. It's just to soak in the flavor from the sauce, and it will be ready to serve. So as you can see, I've put very little water. I do not like my stew to be runny. It has to be slightly on the thicker side, but it's all about preference. So now that the water is there, I'll let it simmer and I'll show you the next step. So now the chicken is well cooked. Finally add your coriander leaves and it's ready to serve. There you have it. I hope you did enjoy this recipe. You can see how thick my stew is, and that's how I like it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.